Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Cindy Makita, career strategist and coach and founder of Hired Institute. In this video, I'm going to be talking about why college graduates just can't find and land jobs. Now, just a heads up, I'm not going to be talking about the current state of the job market, nor am I going to be pointing fingers at employers as to just why they aren't hiring recent graduates. No. Today, I'm going to be talking specifically about the mistakes that college graduates make when they are applying for jobs, which account for the reason as to why they are not landing jobs after they graduate. But first, for all the guidance you need to get hired, subscribe to my channel. I post weekly content that will help you along every step on your journey towards landing that dream job. Click on the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you are notified whenever I post a new video. As a career strategist and coach, I have helped multiple recent college graduates and young professionals land jobs with little to no experience. So trust me, good jobs for college graduates do exist. In this video, I'm going to discuss some of the mistakes that college graduates make that hinder them from landing employment after graduation. The first reason is applying for the wrong jobs. I hear many recent college graduates say there are just no jobs on the market for recent college graduates with no experience, and that is not the case. Many recent college graduates apply for jobs that are asking for 3 to 5 years work experience as opposed to 0 to 2, which is more of an entry-level position. If you are applying for jobs that are asking for 3 to 5 or even 10 years work experience, you are wasting your time and your energy. Stick to applying for jobs that are looking for entry-level candidates or for candidates with 0 to 2 years work experience. Those are the jobs that you should be applying for. The second reason why college graduates can't seem to find and land jobs are because they are using one resume to apply to multiple positions. Now, I'm not pointing fingers here because I fell victim to this as well. I had one resume and I sprayed and prayed. I sent it out as many times as I could, hoping that it would land into the hands of an employer and that somebody would hire me. That is the wrong approach. Trust me, you are wasting your time. If a job is worth applying for, it is worth customizing your resume specifically for that job. So if you have one resume and you are sending it out to multiple employers, that could be part of the reason why you are struggling to find a job right after graduation. Let me know in the comments if you have ever used one resume to apply to multiple positions. I will be the first one to raise my hand. I have done so, but let me know in the comments if you've done so as well. The third reason is not following the instructions in the job description. If an employer is asking you to apply online, but also send your resume and cover letter via email, do just that. It may be tedious, but if a job is worth applying for, it is worth going through all the instructions in the job description to apply for that job. So many candidates get eliminated within the first round simply because they do not follow the instructions in the job description. Don't let that be you. And lastly, the fourth reason is not looking for opportunities to learn and grow. So as a recent college graduate, many think that you're entitled to an amazing job with great pay for all the time and effort that you put into getting your degree. And I wish that was the case. But in the job market, you have to be willing to start somewhere, put in the time and the effort and the energy and work your way up. So don't be afraid to look for opportunities to learn and to grow, to prove yourself, to show your skills, to learn from the industry or career that you're in. The more professional work experience you have, the better it will be for your career. So don't be afraid to start somewhere, to find a good opportunity for you to learn and to grow within your space. To recap, apply for jobs that fit your experience level. Tailor your resume to fit the specific job you are applying for. Follow the instructions on the job description and look for job opportunities that will give you a chance to learn and to grow. To all my recent college graduates, I hope that this video helps you to look at your job search a little differently. Focus on the factors that you can control and don't worry about those factors that you can't. By applying what you learned in this video, by being a standout candidate, you for sure will land that job after you graduate. If you want to learn how to be a standout candidate to get noticed by employers and get hired, download my Standout Candidate Toolkit. This toolkit is going to help you stand out among the masses of job seekers, get noticed, and get hired. A link to the download is in the description. Don't forget to join our Facebook community, a community of job seekers and career success-driven individuals that are leveling up every single day. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, share it with your fellow job seekers, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.